What is up, everybody, and welcome back for another episode of Jesse's Drone Adventures. And in today's episode, I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of Mount Lemmon in Tucson, Arizona. Now, this is a place I've put off going to for far too long, and I finally told myself, damn it, you're going. So I went. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys clips of what I saw as I was driving up the mountain on the famous Catalina Highway. And hey, if you're looking for places to visit in Arizona, I would definitely put this one on your list. Now, if you've never been up here, I'll tell you this. This was probably one of the most scenic highways I've ever taken in all of Arizona. No BS about it. Even if I were to just drive up the mountain and drive back down, honestly, that would do it for me. Especially around this time of year, and I'll tell you why. At the base of the mountain, it was sunny blue skies in the low 70s, but as I did near toward the top, well, it was mostly sunny, but there was a lot more shade due to all the trees, and the temps soon dropped to low 40s. And hey, I even saw some snow, but damn it, I wish I would have brought a jacket. It was flippin' cold. Now, this is definitely the type of trip that you can truly make it whatever you want. You can enjoy the nice drive up and down the mountain, pull over at one of the many lookout points, go hiking on one of the many trails the mountain has to offer, or you can even stop in at the little mountain community of Summerhaven and get yourself a nice toasty coffee along with a bite to eat at the cookie cabin. And that's actually one place I regret not stopping in at, but next time for sure. There's also a general store up there too, just in case you need to fuel up on food and beverages before a big hike. Now, the mountain is also home to other activities too, such as horseback riding and mountain biking. And heads up, keep an eye out for those mountain bikers too, because there's definitely plenty of them on the highway. I saw a lot of them going up and down the mountain. There's also a ski resort and plenty of parks and recreation areas where you can pull over and enjoy a nice lunch or a nice midday cocktail. Not that that's what I did, but I mean, if that's what you wanted to do, you could do that. Anyway, moving on. And fun fact of the day, there is also multiple porta-johns available as well up on the mountain. So if you miss one, don't worry, you're surely bound to come across another one. Or you can make friends with a tree or a bush. You know, use whatever you need to. The ball's in your court. Now, this was a very last-minute trip that I took from Phoenix, and I wasn't anticipating all the stoplights and traffic as I was getting into Tucson. I maybe got to the base of the mountain around 2 in the afternoon, and as soon as I looked at the clock, I knew I was going to be fighting time and how much longer the sun was going to be out. So, I shot what I could, and hey, if you're like me and you've been putting off coming to Mount Lemmon because you're thinking to yourself, oh, it's just another mountain, they're all the same. Well, I promise you, this trip will definitely be worth it. I already can't wait to come back, and when I do, I'll definitely give you guys a more in-depth video on my adventure. But for now, I just want to say thank you guys for taking time out of your day to check out my video. I truly do appreciate it. And if you felt that this video helped you make a decision on whether or not you should take a trip to Mount Lemmon, then definitely drop a like, and if you want to see more places in Arizona, then go ahead and subscribe. What have you got to lose? Besides a few minutes of your day. But let's be honest, if you're going to sacrifice a few minutes of your day, why not spend it checking out my videos rather than doing heroin, meth, or PCP, or lying to your boss about why you were late for work? But wait, never mind. We're getting off topic. We'll see you guys next week. Take care.